Hello, grade 3. Let's go for another read aloud. And it's very interesting story. Listen full story and listen it carefully. It will give you some guidelines. Have you filled a bucket today? Have you listened? A bucket and you are going to fill it. A guide to daily happiness for kids. How you can spread happiness among all. Book by Carol McLeod. Illustrated by David Messing. All day long, everyone in the whole wide world walks around carrying an invisible bucket. That means everyone is having a bucket, an invisible bucket that no one can see in the hands. You can't see it, but it's there. You have a bucket. Each member of your family has a bucket. Your grandparents, your friends, and neighbors all have buckets that are invisible. Everyone carries an invisible bucket. So why you are carrying an invisible bucket? Your bucket has one purpose only. Its purpose is to hold your good thoughts and good feelings about yourself. You feel happy and good when your bucket is full, and you feel sad and lonely when your bucket is empty. Other people feel the same way too. They are happy when their bucket is full. They are sad when their buckets are empty. It's great to have a full bucket, and this is how it works. Other people can fill your bucket, and you can fill theirs. You can fill your own bucket too. So, how do you fill a bucket? Let's know how we can fill our bucket and how we can fill others' bucket. So, you fill a bucket when you show love to someone, when you say or do something kind, or even when you give someone a smile. That's being a bucket filler. A bucket filler is a loving, caring person who says and does nice things to make others feel special. Just like this grandma who was giving flowers to the girl. Or I can say the girl who is giving flowers to her grandmom. When you treat others with kindness and respect, you fill their bucket. But wait, you can also dip into a bucket and take out some good feelings. You can dip into a bucket when you make fun of someone, when you say or do mean things, or even when you ignore someone. That's bucket dipping. Bullying is a bucket dipping. When you hurt others, you dip into their bucket. You will dip into your own bucket too. Many people who dip have an empty bucket. They may think they can fill their own bucket by dipping into someone else, but that will never work. You will never fill your own bucket when you dip into someone else. That means your bucket will also be going to be empty. But guess what? When you fill someone's bucket, you will fill your own bucket too. You feel good when you help others feel good. All day long, we are either filling up or dipping into each other's buckets by what we say or what we do. That means If we are doing good, we are saying good words, we are filling the buckets. And if we are bullying someone, we are saying bad words to someone, we are dipping the bucket. Try to fill a bucket and see what happens. You will feel happiness. You love your mom and dad. Why not tell them you love them? You can even tell them why you love them. Your caring words will fill their buckets with joy. They will feel happy. Watch for smiles to light up their faces. You will feel like smiling too. A smile is a good clue that you have filled a bucket. If you practice, you will become a great bucket filler. Just remember that everyone carries an invisible bucket and think of what you can say or do to fill it. So, what you have to do, here are some ideas for you. You could smile and say hi to the bus driver. He has a bucket too. That means a person who is carrying you to the school or somewhere else is also having a bucket. You could invite the new kid at school to play with you. So that is also a bucket filling. You could write a thank you note to your teacher to say she is teaching very well. You could tell your grandpa that you like spending time with him. That means it's fun to stay with him. There are many ways to fill a bucket. These are only few. You can find other ways also to fill someone's bucket. Along with that, you are going to fill your own bucket also. Bucket filling is fun and easy to do. It doesn't matter how young or old you are. It doesn't cost money and it doesn't take much time. If you will say thank you, that is also bucket filling. And remember, when you fill someone else's bucket, you fill your own bucket too. When you are a bucket filler, you make your home, your school, and your neighborhood better places for all. Bucket filling makes everyone feel good. So, why not decide to be a bucket filler today and every day? Just start each day by saying to yourself, and what you have to say? I am going to do something to fill someone's bucket today. So that means you are going to do some good acts in the day. And at the end of each day, ask yourself, did I fill a bucket today? Did I something good to with someone to fill that bucket also? Yes, I did. That's life of a bucket filler. If you have done, you will be happy and you will be feeling like that you have filled someone's bucket. And that's you whose bucket is already filled. So I hope everyone likes the story and everyone is going to take a pledge that they will do something good. They will say good words to others to fill their own bucket and others' buckets too. Enjoy the story. Thank you.